This Italian company supplies audio systems for some of the world's biggest concerts. PowerSoft, ticker symbol PWS, trades on the Italian stock exchange and has a market cap of 171 million euros. With 10 million of cash and little debt, the company's enterprise value is 161 million. Meanwhile, PowerSoft has reported 73 million euros of revenue over the last 12 months, 13 million of net income and 18 million of EBITDA. So the company is valued at just over 2 times revenue and 13 times earnings. That valuation is near the low end of the company's historical range. PowerSoft is a company that not many investors have heard of. However, many would have experienced its products. The company's amplifiers sit inside loudspeakers that are used in concerts for the likes of Coldplay, Ed Sheeran, Taylor Swift and more. They're used at festivals, theme parks and the Las Vegas Sphere, and they just recently announced a partnership with Ferrari. PowerSoft may be small, but the company is regarded as a leader in professional audio, and they've won several awards over the past few years. Crucially, PowerSoft is also a well-run business. Company revenues have grown steadily over the years, despite interference from the pandemic. 49% gross margins are good for a hardware business, while PowerSoft's operating margins have more than doubled over the last 5 years to 24%. Those margins suggest pricing power, and PowerSoft also owns 44 international patents. If there is a downside to PowerSoft, it's growth. Revenue growth will slow this year after a couple of strong years following the pandemic. And while the experienced economy will help PowerSoft, the AV market isn't expected to grow at much more than 8% a year going forward. PowerSoft can move down the funnel and make acquisitions, but it's not clear if the company can grow much more than the industry. So let's assume PowerSoft grows revenues at 8% a year for the next 10 years while managing to average a free cash flow margin of 14%. In that scenario, the company would generate 160 million euros of free cash flow over the next 10 years. A simple discounted cash flow model then puts the fair value at 15 euros a share, which is about 10% upside from here. The company could do better than that if it manages to expand into new verticals. Overall, PowerSoft looks like a good business trading at a reasonable valuation. However, the risk reward isn't quite compelling enough to make it a strong buy. But these are my personal opinions, not financial advice, and I hold no position in PowerSoft. For more investing videos, make sure to visit my website at 3minutebreakdowns.com. Thank you for watching.